Hello everyone. So in this video we'll talk about lightning types, that what is lightning type, how to use it, and why exactly we are using lightning types, right? So lightning types. Lightning types defines how the AI agent answer will look like in terms of UI, right? So whenever you give a prompt to your AI agent, it respond you back with an answer, and that answer uh, will be displayed in a specific format, right? So if the answer is in number format, then it will use the number lightning type. If the answer is in boolean format, in that case it will use the boolean lightning type. If the answer is in text format, in that case it will use text lightning type, right? So lightning type is nothing but it decides, or let's say it defines how your AI agent answer will look like in terms of user interface, right? So let me quickly go to the Salesforce org and go to the setup, and in the quick find box, let's search for lightning type. So click on lightning types, and here you'll see a list of lightning type which is available as part of your org, and the source is standard, right? So the one is custom, but let's leave it for now. So there are these number of list available as part of the standard lightning type provided by Salesforce, right? So list type, boolean type, type, string type, integer type, multi-line text type. So basically it defines that how your answer will look like as part in terms of user interface, right? Now let's say if you have given a prompt to your AI agent that how many account records are there into your Salesforce org, so it is going to give you a number output, right? That there are 25 records. So that 25 is number, right? So it will to display this 25 as a number, it will use the number type lightning type, right? So if the answer of your AI agent is of let's say text type, right? So it will use the text type lightning type, or it may use the rich text type lightning type, right? So if the answer format of your AI agent is boolean, right? So it will use the boolean type lightning types, right? So this is how it works. So let me quickly go to the home page and show you what exactly I'm talking about. So here I do have this employee agent. uh, I think the default agent is not activated. Let me quickly activate it. Ignore and activate. Okay, so now let me just refresh it. And here is my Agentforce default agent, right? And this default agent has a topic of general CRM, so I can ask any question about this org, right? So let me quickly ask that how many account records are there in this org. Let's wait for the answer. So it says here's the total count of account records, and the count is 26. You see this is grayed out, right? So there is a gray background, right? So this is the way it is showing you the number output, right? So this is using the number type of lightning type. That's why it is showing you the output like this, right? So this UI representation of the answer is called as lightning type, right? So if I ask him that query all account records in this org. So let's see how it responds back. So this time it is using this number type of lightning type. Why? Because the answer is in number format, right? This time into the second prompt where I given the prompt of query all account records in this org, it will be using a list type of lightning type, right? So if I show you the lightning types, there is a list type lightning type, right? So this particular prompt or this particular answer is using list type of lightning type to show you the account records, right? So this is how your lightning type looks like, right? So Even if you are not satisfied with the existing or standard lightning types, you can create your own custom lightning types. So let's say if I want my agent to respond back all of the account list into specific lightning cards, or maybe different lightning cards, or any UI whatever I want, I can create my own custom lightning type, and I can assign that custom lightning type to that particular action, so that whenever a user asks to my AI agent that how many account records are there, or maybe show me all of the account records, in that case it can use the custom lightning type, right? So in the next video I'll show you how to create a custom lightning type and how exactly it works.